Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to appear offline on Roblox. So first of all, launch Roblox app on your mobile devices. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on the category of More at the bottom right. Once you come here, scroll down below and tap on Settings. From here, go ahead and tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now, go ahead and tap on Visibility and Private Servers. Now, go ahead and tap on Visibility. Now, over here, you can see Online Status. In my case, it has been set to everyone, which means that everyone on Roblox will be able to see that I'm online. So in order to appear offline, go ahead and tap on No One. Now, once you do so, you will successfully be able to appear offline on Roblox from now. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.